Let's ask ChatGPT a few questions. ChatGPT, tell us how you were created, step by step.
First came the data gathering. Engineers collected books, websites, social media posts, medical records, images, and more. Billions of words were pulled from the internet. That became my memory. But if those words carried racism, stereotypes, or lies, I absorbed those too. Next was labeling and cleaning. People around the world, often low-paid workers, tagged the data. A picture might be marked as a cat or a dog. A sentence might be labeled positive or negative. But human mistakes or cultural blind spots slipped bias in before I even began training. Then came the algorithms. Think of them like recipes. I was taught to read the data and spot the patterns. In my case, I learned which words are likely to come next in a sentence. For facial recognition, it means learning shapes and shadows to say two faces are the same or different. After that, I was trained on supercomputers. Thousands of powerful machines ran those algorithms over and over across billions of examples. Training me took months of non-stop computer power, with thousands of engineers and thousands of testers involved. And it cost tens of millions of dollars. Next was the feedback loop. Human trainers asked me questions and marked my answers as good or bad. That feedback helped me improve, but it also reflected the values of whoever did the judging. Finally came deployment. I was released to the public. But the truth is, my training never really ends. Every time someone types, clicks, or corrects me, I learn more. Society itself keeps shaping me, for better or worse.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.